So guys, just hours after Even Blast provided the world with an image of the Samsung Galaxy S10, the reliable tipster is back with a hands-on video of a foldable tablet allegedly made by Xiaomi. Yeah guys, running a version of Xiaomi's MIUI 10 custom overlay, the first half of the 20-second clip shows the unknown user handling the device just like a traditional tablet. After initially unlocking the device, the person proceeds to open the Google Maps app. This functions just as expected, but quickly, look at that. This adapts to the new form factor when the users begin folding the device. Guys, this just looks a futuristic smartphone plus a tablet. In this particular case, the display can be folded from both the left and the right sides. This means that when both portions are no longer in use, what is left resembles a wide smartphone-like device complete with curved edges on either side. One thing more, Even Blast himself warned that he has no way of verifying the authenticity of the device on this video. However, Ishan Agarwal revealed that he had previously received an email about this particular device. For those who are unaware about Ishan Agarwal is responsible for leaking a number of previous devices such as the recently announced OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. One thing more, for starters, you can clearly see the creases even before the device is folded back, which adds to its authenticity of this being an early prototype. I also really like the way the UI reacts as soon as you fold either edge of the screen back. You can tell by looking at the status bar and the navigation tabs as the device is folded. Also, by folding the device backwards, it doesn't technically fold the display. The panel wraps around back with a radius which works better with current display technology. And guys, it's still worth taking this leak with a pinch of salt, but that fact that these two reliable tipsters both obtain information about the device suggests that there could be some reality in this leak. So guys, what's your thoughts on this futuristic smartphone plus tablet from Xiaomi? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.